Here is the gospel of zero pressure and instant cash. Listen up, my dear. Gather around and lend me your auditory organs, because I'm about to drop some wisdom that will take you.
Alright guys, yes, welcome. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to make your image to speak. Okay, first of all, I want to use an image of a very old African Nigerian rich woman sitting and facing camera, giving speech. She should be happy. So this is the photo that I generated. Okay, now I used my own mentality to drive this thing, and I've not the AI to enhance my work. That's why AI is super good. So this is what I want to create, and I believe it's going to draw attentions of people because I'm making this video to be fast. I don't want to read everything, but you can pause and read it. But now this is what AI created. It's very, very interesting. The gospel of zero pressure and instant cash. Listen up, my dear. Gather around and lend me your auditory organs, because I'm about to drop some wisdom that will take you from a low battery. Oh, this AI is so good. And this kind of content will be very, very nice if you are reading it out as a human. But if I use AI, because I want to use AI to talk it, it's going to be good. I'll use Nigerian voice when I'm turning my speech to um turning my text to speech. So I'm going to use Nigeria. Don't use US voice. It's going to sound so not serious. Like it's not going to sound the way you want it to sound. So this is it. What I'm going to do now is to copy it. Okay. I think I've copied it already. Then I'm now going to my notepad or I'm using my WhatsApp because I have WhatsApp that I can do this thing. Then I'll now edit it to my taste the way I want it to be. Alright, so the gospel of yeah is the here is the gospel of zero pressure and instant cash. Alright, I think it's okay. Listen up, my dear. Gather around and leave me your auditory organ. In this auditory organ, you're going to see after using my I'm going to add some element that is going to make this thing very, very interesting. Don't worry, that's the first thing I'm going to play. You're gonna put something sound like people laughing, very funny things to make it more engaging. As the thing is talking, as it comes to the place, Toyota Camry, where is this thing? Your Toyota Corolla, you can put an image of Toyota Corolla, animate it as an overlay. I'm going to show you everything. Okay, so I just want to teach you how to do everything. Alright, so this is it. You just have to edit it the way it's going to read it out. That's what I will do. You will now edit it, you will now read it out, and then I will now show you how to make it the text to the image to speak. Rule one of the universe: thou shalt not allow anybody to pressure you by comparing you to others. Why? Because they are driving regular Toyota Corolla. And you see, this kind of thing is very, very funny. So I'm trying to remove some things that I know. If I want you to scream or type, I want you to type in because I want people to engage. Understand? I want you to type, God, please remember me. Then, as a test to your faith, drop your account details below to witness the fastest, most dramatic, and this is very funny. Some people will still get credit there. That's the funny truth. Alright, so I'm going to remove this part. So this is the one I'm going to use low voice AI to get. Okay, I'm going to copy it now. I'll go to my low voice AI. Thank you. I'm taking you through the whole step so that you see how I generated this.
No pressure and instant cash. Listen up, my dear. Gather around and lend.
Alright, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to make your image to text, your image to talk, and the app you're using is TomTom app. So this is the interface of the app, TomTom app. This is interface. You're going to click it. Here is template, so you can access how many templates you want to use, and here is the profile. You can check how many credits you have. If you're if you're If you want to increase your credit, you can watch ad, you can invite friends, and your credit is going to increase automatically. It's going to be giving you 1 credit. If you also want to access more, you just be checking this thing, clicking it daily. It's going to give you the credits. Do you understand? But the best way is to be watching ad. Now, if you want to work on your video, you are going to click here and confirm. Then this is the women that we are using for it. You're going to click on audio, and then you are going to add your audio. This is it. So if I want to,
Here
I
is
have
the
already
gospel of zero
added my
pressure
audio.
and
But
instant.
let me just delete it and start afresh. You're going to click add audio file. Let me check download. Yes, it's on download. And then I'll click it. Please choose character. When you now click front of this, you confirm. The front has to appear. Click it, confirm. The face is there now. Let's watch it.
Is the gospel of zero pressure and instant cash. Listen up, my dear. Gather around and lend me your auditory organs, because I'm about to drop some wisdom that will take you from a low battery phone to a solar powered skyscraper in this life. Rule 1 of the universe: thou shalt not allow anybody to pressure you by comparing you to others. Why? Because they are driving a regular Toyota Corolla,
I'm going to
private
download
jets.
it. Come to this part and then click on download. If you want to download, you're going to download as video. Don't click on photo. Alright, so that's our video. It is ready. To my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn your picture to video. That's the picture you've already generated to video. How to do it. You're going to be using Pixvax. Let me show you the app, how the app looks like. Okay, this is it. This is Pixvax AI we are going to be making use of. This app is a subscription app. For you to enjoy it, you need to subscribe, but we don't need to do that here. I'm going to show you how you're going to be making use of it for free. You don't need to spend any money in this AI course again because you have already purchased the course. So you're going to come to this place. I registered this thing newly. You're going to come to this part. If you invite somebody, you get, that's not the main one, you get like 60 points every day. So I'm going to click on that reward stuff. On daily login, you get 60 points you have to claim. If you publish a video, you get a 60 points you claim. If you share it, you don't need to share it with the person, just share it with your WhatsApp, you get. If you watch an advertisement, you get. As you can see, these are 16, this is 1900, this is already 110. Okay, this is already 110. If you now come and download the app, which I've already done, you claim. If you now rate the app, you claim. If you customize your profile, you claim. If you want to enjoy this app, create 3 email or more email, so that when you finish making use of this thing here, you go to the next and make use of it. If you want to convert your text to, as you can see, these are the ones I converted, how I made it into be. Like in the video I showed you, you can make use of this thing for youth reasons. I don't know why I'm using it to make all these kind of videos. Don't mind me, please. So you're going to upload your image that you want to convert to video here, and then you describe recently done. Okay, you're going to describe the action